running behind. I'm still brushing my hair. Oh, my camera's not even on. Alright. Alright, there, that's on. So I hate when I'm running behind. I feel like I'm not prepared when that happens. I'm still trying to get things up. Started today. Don't have my water. So, might have a brief intermission. Maybe. Preference. Change the setting on this. Don't turn off display, basically. Okay. So Ford opened down a little bit. Down $64, but we got dividends. What's dividends today? Yeah. So we're already up 15 cents a share. We got 400 shares. So we're already looking pretty good for the day. About the $4 under ish. Let's go take a look at my watch screen. I'm talking about that. I don't have it up on the other one. Oh well, I'll worry about that later. So our previous watch nothing. Paper trade. Let's take a look at Cara. That's not saying, so we'll have to look at that the big screen. That is opening low. Okay. AMC is gapping up a little. It actually had a pretty good day on Friday too. Alright, that's basically everything I'm interested there. 9. Remember we were kind of looking at that one and that one. So that one is up. Man, I really want to invest in 9. But I don't want to do it at the top. And is that where we're looking? Is it at the top? We don't know. Alright, me check the scanner. Mullen, MULN. is the volume leader again. I guess I have a few minutes to get Thinkorswim going on my Mac. Excuse me. So nobody's in here, so I'm not gonna say how's everybody else doing. Not yet. I will talk to myself. I got a busy day. Besides trading, I got a few things I gotta do. And other things I'm trying to figure out if I want to do. Alright, so Kara not doing anything. Kaba went up Friday but not doing anything. CCL up a little. Oh shit, I actually have Kappa in here twice. GE looks like it's up a little. F, we know GM and Ford are doing about the same. X doing, actually X looks like Ford right now. So I'm going to put on the 5-minute chart. So you see like this pattern right here that's going on. X is doing almost the same kind of thing. It's opening low, looks like. Has a couple peaks, kind of like on an up thing, kind of on an up thing, a couple peaks, flat. I mean, I don't really see them as trading pairs, but they're acting like a trading pair. So, okay. On this day, down for X, and guess what? So Wednesday was down, Thursday it went up. Wednesday down, Thursday for up. And then GM is following the same deal. Wednesday was down, Thursday and Friday was up, and trading flat. Kind of got
ARDX.
Kind of have the same two peaks, but a little bit different. Huh. So I'm only in Ford. I don't know why this is still here. I lost money on that thing, and I think it's trying to insult me, being like, "Hey, look, I'm still here." Ritter, I lost money on. Alright. So just got some messaging done. So over the weekend, I had some gallons of diesel I was trying to sell. Between 60 to 100 gallons. Cheap! Cheaper, slightly cheaper than gasoline right now. But unfortunately, I couldn't get anyone to buy it. And it was not close enough for me to buy it. Or I would have. I would run it. I could use some cheap diesel. Let's take a look at AMC. So Wednesday is down. Everything Thursday looks like it went up. Day chart is what I wanted. Okay. We might be looking at a trade in AMC to go long. I want to see it break above. Go a little bit higher up. Start getting above this here. I think that could be an interesting thing. Honestly, today's looking like it's definitely going to be a red day. I don't like that. SP 500 is looking semi-decent, of course. Ugh, the hell did I just say? I'm going to have to actually watch the playback on that. Oh, never mind. It wasn't updated. It is now. Healthcare has some life to it. And that's about it. Okay. I think honestly today might be just a sit and watch. If something pops on the scanner that's good, I might jump in it. But I'm already down on the day. there's the bell. Yeah, before is going down, of course. So now I'm getting all the alerts for that. AMC is going down. What's gone up 2% since open? Two things have actually. IDEX. And then that was going to be the other one. ADRX. So I could already tell you I'm more interested in this one, but the volume is good. People are stacking. So volatility wise, want to see above
FRGT.
Getting closer to 1.6.
DWAC.
So we're gonna put this on the list.
PSHG.
ARDX. So I got that one on the list there. Market opened low, is climbing, so that's good. SP 500. Healthcare. Okay. BBVY. We've looked at that one before. I don't think I've traded it. If I did, I don't remember.
ARDX. ARDX. FRGT. XELA. PHUN. A. FRGT.
So support here, resistance up here.
TBLT. ENSC. SNDL. ENSC.
This is the one I think I'm interested in. So 9 went red. GLYC went red. AMC made a new high, but is going red right this second. It's on a downturn candle. Hit a high of 835. It's down 820.
ENSC. TBLT. GOEB. ARDX. SNDL. XELA. ARDX.
I want this to really start to go above 160.
PHUN.
Wrong button. So whenever it starts to get stagnant, one thing I've kind of noticed, a flash down can happen. Good morning, GTA. If you're just now joining, the market isn't looking great. No, it doesn't even show that you're in here. All right.
GOEB.
Oh, rum dropped.
RGT.
Yeah, it's down a little bit, dude. You really like that stock, though.
PNT. PDSB.
To be honest, there's
GOEB. ARDX.
okay. Now I'm getting interested in this one. It got really stagnant,
PDSB.
but now there's price action and volume.
XELA.
Going with smaller share.
SNDL.
Man, it shot up from 60.
TBLT.
1.6. Oh, actually 1.5 to 1.6 pretty quick. I think that the reason is because investors might be getting worried about even Coinbase,
ARDX.
which I am. I'm thinking about pulling my crypto out of Coinbase because all these exchanges that are crashing,
ARDX.
I don't like it. So this is now trading at a high of the last few days. Seems to be fairly consistent and climbing. gonna put a stop loss 2 cents up. And I'm just gonna, I don't have much trust in today, so I'm not looking to make $1 million.
ARDX.
I'm just gonna keep moving this up. The Dow's up, SP 500 is down, but green. NASDAQ is red right now and down. I guess I'll show you what I was talking about real quick. Green now red, red, green but now red. So it was down but green. We just got an updated sheet. We'll give it a little bit of room to work.
ENSC.
I normally don't like moving my stop loss, but I'm just sitting here looking at it, and I'm gonna move it up. Oh, why did I take my stop loss out? So I see there's some selling pressure up here. They want it to go back up. That may not always happen, and then they want to move down quickly. It can just change. Keep going up. So this is a stock that doesn't even let me know if you can trade it. I don't like that. Can you trade this one on TOS? So Thinkorswim is used by a lot of people. So if you can short it easily on Thinkorswim, then that's something I have to kind of be aware of, that it could be shorted here. Something just triggered. Oh, Ford Crossing 1417. Freck.
ARDX.
It's up. Okay, so I made $15. I got coffee. But that selling pressure was real. Alright, take our money and run. ENSC. This one was hitting a few times. Has volume. NCB, so not able to borrow. Dude, don't say Ford at 13.50. I don't want to buy Ford at 13.5. If it goes down to 13.5, I'm gonna buy more. Always made the mistake again. I had 500 locked in. Always change it to your lowest bid amount.
ARDX.
What are you doing? Okay, so it is trending support again.
XELA. ARDX.
Sorry, I know I'm not talking a lot right this second. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do.
XELA.
Ford is going to be crossing back into the 13s.
ARDX.
Oh, 600 just showed up there.
ARDX.
Alright, we're going to try to get it bought back in here.
COSM. XELA.
Alright guys, to be honest, if something doesn't start changing here pretty soon, I'm probably going to just close out of stocks today. Today is definitely not a good day for trading. Ooh, Kaba.
ARDX.
I'll buy that. So, Kaba is starting to break up again. So I'll put 100. And I will put a stop loss. That will be good till canceled, extended. No. Good to cancel. 19. And we'll let that one rip.
PSHG.
I'm already up. 1 penny. I'm up 1 penny. $1. $1.
SCLX.
I don't know why I like Kaba. Okay. So some people, if you really want to try to trade stocks, it's a lot of watching, waiting.
ARDX.
A lot of that. And today. Oh, wrong key. On the wrong keyboard.
PDSB.
I don't know if I have the. I don't know. Let's take a look at Ford. So it's trading. Hopefully that's the floor. Hopefully we get some up movement. Good support. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Who knows anymore? It's changing rapidly. It's definitely below the water. I mean, we've seen Ford open bad and then jump right back up. So hopefully that's not going to be $156 down. But, you know, remember they do pay dividends today. So honestly, people should be holding on to the stocks, not selling the stock. You know, you want your dividends. But news. I mean, nothing bad. If anything, that should be somewhat good. They're selling their data to another company. Okay, yeah, maybe not selling user data. It's probably not, you know, specifically like that user or anything, but in general. Which insurance companies have already been well known about doing. So is it really a, like, oh my god, or anything? I mean, if you aggregate the data, where you're one of millions.
TBLT.
Personally, I don't know if I'd be that upset or worried about it. Some of the things I may not like, if I know an insurance company's doing that, is grouping me into a higher risk area because of a certain parameters, because other certain parameters. But you know what? They already do precisely that. So it's kind of like, you know,
Again. TBLT.
that's just where it's kind of like, you know, is it really a big difference? Layla, come here. Sorry, Layla's just kind of being Layla. I love that dog. She's sweet. So Kaba, I'm already $11 up. And honestly, from what I've seen from Kaba, this trend is going to stay for a little bit longer. I mean, we're already trending quite a bit high, so my target is probably going to be somewhere over here. I mean, honestly, that's not a bad red candle. Could be worse.
ARDX. ARDX. Serve.
I mean, today's stream is really boring. Hey, look. Nothing's happening. I'm not really trading. I'm actually losing. I mean, what can I say?
XELA.
Sorry. I know this is so fascinating, but I'm
ARDX.
taking care of some business.
ARDX.
Dude, there's nothing to watch on ADRX. It's going down. That's actually what's letting me know. For the people that like to try to short. Hmm.
ARDX.
Y'all, I know this is boring. And I'm not very fascinating. Hey, GTA, is there any stocks you're watching? While I finish up some things on my phone here. I just set up a Cash App. I had somebody ask me. I was doing something, and they asked, hey, do I have Cash App so they could pay me? And I had, I use Facebook Pay, but they're like, you should really get Cash App. And I'm like, there's not that many people who want to give me money. But yeah. Ford is going up, so you better change that to $14.50, not $13.50. We're not gonna go to a dollar down, dude. If it goes down to 13, I'll be losing a lot of money today. So I really don't want that. I mean, AMC down, ADRX down,
ARDX.
no, we're not doing that. Cat. They got a lot of shares in right there. I mean, dude.
Frey.
Java's killing it. Okay, we're up.
XELA.
I'm bearish.
ARDX. CORZ.
Wow.
Frey.
A little bit of selling pressure there. I'm gonna do that because remember we could always buy back in.
PDSB.
But it looks like the selling pressure is cooling off.
XELA.
We'll put it right there. Forward.
Fray.
It's doing its thing. X is doing good. So is GE. Getting ready to break the high.
BNGO.
I don't know. I kind of wish I got it on it sooner. Like, seriously, when I saw it kind of starting to go above, I should have gotten it on here. What sucks is I was you know, you can't be upset for something that you're not losing. Not losing money, just the opportunity to make it.
XELA.
And any mistake like that is always 100% on you. But that is looking I knew something wasn't matching, lining up. So, honestly, should have got it back right here. Anywhere in here. If you got here with the stop loss here, you've been fine. Or even sit down there. But I don't know if I want to go chasing it. So this stock here is expensive. So 24
PDSB.
for every 100. So you try to do 1,000 of that. That would be my whole account before leverage. Oh no, that isn't leverage. 2,000 in leverage. That so. On a day like today, I don't want to leverage, so definitely no 1,000. Too much of a, I'll tell you, too much of a chance that I'll be worried about it going down. I was talking to somebody the other day who trades Forex.
ARDX.
I forgot to save this, so I have to do it again. So this one on the minute 15. Wrong button. Let's do hour. No. 30. And that one will stay on the day. My Kaba got close to hitting my sell. 1 penny from it.
ARDX.
But y'all, I'm gonna call it. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I got some other stuff that I gotta go get done.
ARDX.
And nothing is really cooking. So you might have been right.
TBLT.
TBLT we're called out twice. Yep. I'm not even gonna worry about trying to cap any profits on that. I mean, stop loss is good. We'll leave it. I don't care. Forward though, please do something cool, like go up.
TBLT.
Alright. TBLT.
BNGO.
So, hovering near the buy, but my hands are away from the mouse.
ARDX.
It's about to go to 310. Watch. Once it breaks over 3, it's going to go up to 310 pretty quick.
TBLT. Frey.
It wants to. But just with the market, I'm not feeling.
BNGO.
It feels too much like gambling. That's what it feels like. Cabot's probably going to hit my stop loss. So I'll cap a little bit and call it a day.
Frame.
You know, I think I'm actually 100% right. This stock is going to go to 310.
FRGT.
Here comes $3.
PDSB.
So it's not like I've said before, right around, the whole dollar amounts, or, like your 50 cents and whatnot. So, 350, 250, yada, 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 seem to be really major pain points. Sometimes every 10 cents can be, because there's some people who trade, a 20-cent profit margin. So, you might notice that around, tens, there could be some interesting price action, either buying or selling, or around the whole dollar. So I believe if this breaks 3, it'll go up to about 3.5, 3.10 fairly easily. Kind of like how here, once it started to break above 2.8, it really kind of jumped up. Start, pushing kind of like right in this area. I'm actually surprised it didn't start right here, but it pushed up through that. There's some good support, which just got bought out, but it's back. So,
Blue.
oh wow. Bunch of selling just came in. So it may hit the $3, but might be a little bit later. Or maybe the next couple candles. But there's a chance that could go down.
PNG.
And I think I had my price idea like right in here. So selling at 3, even though that a couple cent profit, if you had enough shares, could have been nice. But I would have been losing money right about now. So I'm happy I didn't do that. One of the things I definitely have to do soon, I got a couple packages I gotta drop off for eBay. Okay, so here could be a good buy-in. There's the consolidation. You know, so sometimes the thing with trading stocks, even though I'm not doing much today, it's all about finding the right stock at the right time. Can make a whole month.
BNGO.
I haven't found one of those yet. Kind of. I've been close. I've been close. Okay. Sorry, I was just checking something else. I know this is so fun, but I'm out. I think I'm gonna be out. So took two small trades. One on ARDX, made a little bit of profit, made lunch money. Kaba, lunch money. It's starting to go back up. I like that. No, I don't want to check the weather today. Actually, yes, I do. So we got snow, it looks like, coming in later in Oklahoma.
PDSB.
Rain in my area. I hope the rain keeps coming, or the snow keeps coming down. It'd be kind of nice. I don't have to drive in it. No, well, I don't have to drive a semi-truck in it, which is kind of nice. Kaba slowing way down again in volume, which is good. I don't want like a huge amount of volume like this. I want it to just slowly keep ticking up like it has been, right? So, you know, slow volume. This stock just keeps ticking up. That's why I got my stop loss set, just in case it ticks way down. I'll be okay. You know, on a stock like this, you definitely want to have your stop loss set. Ford, you're doing better. This stock here, man, this one could have done something. It really could have. It didn't want to. It has some support, but I mean, awfully a lot of resistance that could just keep pushing this bitch down. So, this stock was a viewer stock. Let's take a quick look at it. Kara, it's doing good. Let's take a look at my paper trading account with Kara. I would have been up $191. But it is
ENSC.
trading above. So remember, we saw the double bottom, and a prior double bottom showed that it went up quite a bit. That double bottom trend that this had with a spike up continued. And that was a really recent double bottom that trended up and it did it again. So yeah, I kind of wish I did do that in my real trade account. Even if I did just 100, I probably would have been calling in, moving my stop loss quite high to cap, that 190. So in my paper trade account, I literally just moved the stop loss. So I got the stop loss now right there. So I'll make 146 minimum with the potential to make, 191, and we'll just let that one run. So possible trade for tomorrow is this one here. So 9 has been doing really, really well. Is doing bad today. So could be coming in at a discount. It did open up high. So I'm curious to see what this is going to do going into this week. As you can see, the last few weeks it's been really good. And even when it had a really bad down day, it recovered. Really bad down day, it recovered. This one was the worst red day, but it recovered in the same day and skyrocketed the next. So yeah, this one is looking pretty good. This one, the same. I'm kind of watching this. I was thinking about buying a little bit of it. Wait, did I buy any? No. I was thinking about it. I guess I didn't. AMD still. We'll take a look at it. SP 500 is looking kind of red. World. China's doing okay. Full. Healthcare is really just killing it. Trade funds. I might want to try to get into some ETFs. I've been looking into a few ETFs. And I'm thinking about it. I think there could be some upside in doing some ETFs soon. So, I'm going to do some more research on some of those. Might buy, not very, I don't even know if I'll do 100, maybe just a couple. Just slowly start adding those into my portfolio, which I totally butchered that word. Ford and GM seem like they're going up a little. X is going down. Glad I didn't buy that at the top. It looked like it was going to continue, but here, I'll just show you. Give me my mouse there. And the mouse was over on the Apple. So I was really kind of looking at it because it broke above here. I was thinking it might continue. It was looking really quite good today, but the one thing I was kind of noticing was the buying just seemed especially after here, a lot of short candles, not a lot of action, but volume, and it started to trend down. I guess I could short it, but I didn't want to. Still don't want to. But X is doing pretty good on the day. I think 25 would be a decent target range, but this stock is really kind of, I don't want to say outside of my buying area, because I could only buy a couple shares, and then it's within my risk tolerance. But would I really want to buy 500 or 1,000 shares of this one? No. No. Too much of my money in one stock for a long-term play? No. But I do want to try to get on some more stocks that might be a little bit of a long-term play. Kind of like Ford. As you guys know, I've been doing well on Ford. Even though I'm down right now, I've been doing really quite well on Ford. I might try to roll in some GM, GE, and X when they come into my price margin again. Or when they go down, a buy-in that I'm happy with. Ford, you need to keep going up. It's trading about a half where it was during the day. So that's going to be all she wrote today. I gotta go drop off a package at eBay for eBay, not at eBay, for eBay. And that package, it's several orders, but I made $580 over the weekend on eBay. Fantastic. I haven't been making shit. But that was a $2,000 order. For everything I sold was $2,000. I made $580. So a good 25 some odd percent. But I'm still down on the month massively. I've only made 38%, $1,400 cash on the month so far. So, and in crypto, not crypto. Oh, well, crypto too. TD Ameritrade, not counting to the, actually, let me add in, so 28,180. So I'm at 28,000 and actually just went down to 75. So 28,175. That means I've made $769 on TD Ameritrade. I've lost money on my cryptos, so I don't want to add those. So 769 plus
ARDX
plus alright, so 2 weeks in, going on the third week, I'm sitting at $3,200 up. I mean, that's better than most people, but I'm still in the hole. I'm in the hole right now for $9,666 this month. Where did I lose that? Oh. I lost that last month when I traded terribly.
TBLT.
You know, since I show everything anyway, I mean, I'll show you guys this. So last month I had, so you can see here I had 6,000. I started to fund it, put in 15. This was a fund. I did not make that. Then here I funded all the way up to 25,000 to give me above the 25,000. Put 35,000 in. I'm now at 27.4, counting everything. Actually, no, it's higher than that. Why? Oh, that's counting the losses. Okay. So, counting my losses, I'm at 27 crypto. So, 27.46, 27,406. No, that's not right.
TBLT.
Yearly report, G2. G2. That's on the wrong one. Yeah, see? That's the starting amount. They're all on the wrong one. How did that get screwed up?
PDSB.
So that needs to be H. There. Oh, I'm down more. Ha! That's worse.
PDSB.
I'm down $9,824. This is what I have in my. That's what I have in cash. That's Bank of America and my eBay. Actually, I think I have a little bit more money in my bank account. I had some money cleared. Oh, nope. I'm down $4. I covered some bills. So, my credit card debts are now lower. So, Chase. I guess not lower.
Saga.
I need to figure out why my Chase went so high. It shouldn't be that high. This one is about right. So I'm 12,000 short. Alright, that's actually really kind of upsetting. Why did Chase get so high? Okay, I had a few bills that hit. I thought it was lower than that. Oh, that sucks.
Frey.
I like the Google Nest. I use it at my own house. I just found out I'm 12,000 under today. 12,000 short. You know, I keep trying to make money everywhere, but I'm fucking losing. The last 3 fucking months, I'm down. And a lot of it is fucking eBay. These fucking eBay scams. Are you fucking kidding me? 32,000, coming up on 33. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go.
XELA.
No, I'm not even listening to this anymore. I'm just. I feel broken, dude. I don't want to go back into trucking. I really don't. But these fucking scammers on eBay, they don't fucking care. I've lost so much money. It's not even funny. I mean, so I went from 38, 8, 7, down 31, 669, 7,000. So 7,000. $7,218 from last month on just trading where I was a fuck up. So 4,800. I need to come up with 4,800 this fucking month. As of right now, I need to come up with 4,800. I'll just write off last month as a fucking mistake. I got a check coming in that's 1,700. I mean, not 17,000. But that actually goes into last year's income. I'm just now getting it this year. So even though I'm going to be, so to speak, up, I'm still going to be down 4,000. I'm going to have to come up with 4,000. And I have three weeks to do it. Now, I'm definitely not going to get that on eBay. I mean, I'm not even selling on there very much anymore, just because it's bullshit. I can't afford to keep losing money, so I haven't been posting on there. Honestly, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. I can get that on a good stock that runs up well. I gotta try to stay motivated. Keep an eye out for that one stock that does it. Well, GTA, you're probably the only one watching. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go try to make a couple $100 today. How? I'm gonna figure that out.